Hey, not gonna wanna miss. We are following this copycat recipe. I don't know if it's gonna taste good. I got an idea. I got a way to test if this is the real deal. Let's see who's in. Making pumpkin spice lattes. Who's in? Okay. I got two people, Chantel and Maddie, that are going to try this recipe. They just don't know it yet. Here we go. We're gonna add in our water and our sugar and we're gonna mix it up. This is what we call our simple syrup. And now let's start ordering pumpkin spice lattes from Starbucks. It's on. Okay, we're on the clock. We're on the boil. Let's put this down, take out the heat. It's time to get spicy. Just one cinnamon. Now do our ginger. And go our nutmeg. Carbs are next. They're alive! They're alive! They're not grounded, guys. I can't be having my latte and having a big chunk of cloves in there. That's not good.
What should we do next? Something good, bad, bit of both?
I gotta grab these. How can I do this? This don't use for garlic. Ew! Garlic breath?
Hi, I'm very ugly, but you should enjoy the movie anyway.
Get this out of here. Where's this now? Let's use this. A muddler. Hit them. Let's go. You little thing. Like this is like an old school grinder, honey. Let's go. Big problem. Our grinder broke. It exploded, guys. I went to turn it and boom, came out. Now be fixed. This is gonna take a while.
Much later.
1/8 teaspoon. Awesome, my pumpkin spice. I'm mixing this up. Teaspoon of our mix. We're only gonna be using half teaspoon of our mixture from our spices.
So all of that just for half a teaspoon?
Yes. I'm pouring half a teaspoon of our spices.
Meanwhile.
Ready? Now I'm gonna add in our condensed milk, 14 ounces. This is just so sweet. It's used for so many amazing coffees. Spain, the color Café Boom Boom.
A few minutes later.
Now it's time for the main ingredient, guys. Pumpkin puree. This is real pumpkin. It's not flavoring or anything. Let's go do this. The recipe calls for 2/3.
Tastes like chicken.
Put your nose in that. Guys, our syrup is done. I feel like a real barista. Tie back. Notice! Starbucks cup. 1, 2, 3.
Soon after.
Now if it doesn't taste like Starbucks.
What then?
I don't know.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Hey guys, how pretty. It looks so good. I got from Starbucks to use 1 pump. I don't have a pump, so I googled it.
A lot of boring math later.
I'm pouring in my pumpkin spice. Look at that, how good. Shake it on my thing, mama. Where's the pumpkin spice? Ow, good cream. Go ahead and get the coffees. Wait, I can go in like this? This should do it. Now let's go. I'm gonna serve them all in the same cup, but mine is gonna have a secret mark on the bottom. They had to figure out for themselves, honey. Okay, girls, I made you pumpkin spice lattes and a surprise.
What's a surprise?
One of these are from Starbucks and one I made. You need to try them and see which one's better. Who's going first?
I'll go first.
Go.
Okay, Chantel.
Coffee all night. Get out of here next.
Okay.
Don't go from mine right away.
Chunky. Oh yeah, that definitely looks like vomit.
It's the anticipation. Oh, it's greasy too. It's really greasy.
There's no way I'm eating this.
I like this one better.
Who knows?
They both taste really good. I kind of think this one's better.
Okay, but let's run over here. Okay, how often do you have pumpkin spice lattes?
I have it quite often. It's actually my favorite flavor from the season.
I love pumpkin spice lattes. I have them every time they come out at Starbucks in the fall time.
Wow. Are you ready for the big reveal? Let's look under the bottom of the cup. Okay, ready? Let's see.
The cheeky sassy me!
right here next. Let's see. What you got?
The cheeky sassy me.
If I have to give my opinion on the drinks, I'm going to say that the Copycat recipe tastes a lot more natural than the Starbucks one. As you can see here, even the color looks artificial on the Starbucks. Instead of the Copycat, it has more of a natural color. I personally prefer the Copycat over the Starbucks, and I give it a 10 out of 10.
Same rating here. I think the Cheeky Sassy Me Copycat drink was a 10 out of 10, and it had more fresh cinnamon flavor than I believe the Starbucks one did.
That's what I like to hear. Okay guys, I believe the Copycat recipe is the winner. That right, Smiley?
We give it a thumbs up.